I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Chevy Impala with a key. Insert the key into the driver's door lock and turn toward the rear of the car with steady pressure. If the key feels stuck, jiggle it gently while maintaining turning force to free a sticky mechanism. If it still resists, apply a dry graphite spray into the keyway and repeat the motion slowly until the lock turns smoothly. If the driver's door lock gives trouble, try the passenger door or trunk lock as alternatives. Use a spare key to determine whether the issue is the key or the lock mechanism, which helps avoid unnecessary repairs. For models with manual trunk access, the trunk can provide entry without forcing a door lock. Always turn the key with steady controlled pressure and avoid sudden jerks that could break the key off inside the lock. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more car help. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They're perfect for long roadside waits and keep your feet happy while you tinker. I think of them when I'm kneeling by a car, and they beat cheap socks every time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To prevent future lock problems, keep a spare key in a safe place and lubricate locks periodically with dry graphite. Avoid harsh sprays that attract grime and never force the key when it binds, as this can break the key in the cylinder. If you frequently encounter sticky locks, schedule a quick inspection at a locksmith to replace worn components and save time and expense later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.